Alright guys, it is crazy that it is already November 1st and already my first video of the month. This one is going to be a Forza Horizon video, and a couple weeks ago I did a free roaming video with the McLaren 600LT. This time I'm going to do a ramp jump with the 600LT, so it should be pretty fun. Well, I'm in the 600LT, and of course it's nighttime on here. The past couple times I've played this game off camera, I have been just whipping around in this thing, so that is why I was already in the 600LT. Pretty convenient. Now I gotta get to the ramp. Alright guys, I made it to the ramp. The ramp is straight ahead, obviously. I'm as far back as possible because I want to get the best outcome, obviously, and the highest speed. So this should be a fun one. 3, 2, 1, go. Might be pretty good. Think we can hit the water? The river? Nope. If you count the roll, I would say that one in the river, but on the fly, not even close. But anyway, I thought that one was a pretty cool one to do, even though it did not go the farthest out of all the cars that I have. And I thought it was pretty fun. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of that. Anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this ramp jump video. There are a lot more cars that I definitely want to ramp jump in the future on here. I love making Forza videos. For some reason, they are so satisfying to make, especially as a car enthusiast like me, a car lover like me. They are so fun to make, and I know that a lot of you guys really enjoy them as well. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe and turn on post notifications as well to never miss lit everyday Andrew videos. Brand new month, whole bunch of more videos, minimum of 14 videos, obviously, because that is my monthly goal this year, a minimum of 14 videos each month. And so far, I've gotten that all those months. Most months I've gotten more than that, so should be a really fun month video wise. But anyway, everyday Andrew out. Peace.